Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
This is a very quick, short and sweet one because our main video is later on tonight. But it is the first Saturday of the month, so it's Axolotls. I can't say it now. Axolotls, which is a collaboration hosted by Erica from Kitschy Kitten Studios.
Kitschy Kitchen Studios.
Yeah.
So it's like the little scratching, isn't it? It goes,
yes, dear. So I love making the axolotl, so I was like,
making it, demolding it.
I wasn't going to do it, and then I thought, oh, I really like making them, and they're so cute. So I thought, I just whip one up quick, and I thought I would go for a green because I haven't made a green axolotl yet.
Okay.
And green is the colour that was singing to me.
Was it?
It was.
I'm curious as to...
No, I'm not doing the tune. Nice try, though. I'm not falling for it. So just keep dreaming,
describe it
to
me then. What sort of tune is the green?
I did that to you on our very first date. Do you really think I'm going to fall for it? I don't think so. Anyway, I had a look through my eyes and I decided against the wibbly wobbly eyes. I'm just going to ignore that. And I thought, I'm going to go with blue. Now, I'm not going to lie. The whole blue eyes with a green axolotl, it kind of made me twitchy a little bit because when I was young, I was always told blue and green should never be seen unless there's something in between. You never heard that before?
No.
My nan used to say it all the time. And to be honest with you, I actually like blue and green together. Since we've been on this crazy roller coaster ride of resin, I've done lots of things that are blue and green together, and I actually really like them. I like those two colours together.
What is the reasoning behind that?
I don't know. I was little.
That she just thought the two colours were hideous together.
I honestly don't know, but she used to say that.
Okay.
And it has stuck with me. You know, like some things stick with you. Well, that's one of the things that stuck with me. So whenever I do something that's blue and green, I hear her voice saying it. And so it makes me go a bit like that.
Oh, I wish the camera was recording that.
I'm so glad it wasn't. Now, I have got these little teeny tiny beads, and I thought I usually put glitter in the horn fins, gills, whatever they are. I usually put glitter in them, and I thought I am going to step away from the glitter.
Wow.
And I'm going to put beads in. Don't worry, I'm not stepping too far. Glitter's coming in. Oh, you can see there's a jar of glitter right behind the UV. Don't panic. I have not lost my mind.
I was getting excited then. I thought maybe you're done with glitter.
No.
Oh.
That's like me saying, are you done with Eric and Ernie? Eric and Ernie, for anyone who does not know, are what we have named the 3D printers. Eric is a filament printer. Ernie is the other one, the resin printer.
Yes.
And Kirk loves them.
I do. I stroke them often.
We don't need to talk about that. Anyway, I am imparting my wisdom.
Oh.
So I've put some beads into the fin horn gills, and I started off doing it in a very good order. So like green, white, whatever.
So as you normally do.
What happened was I was concentrating and I was really paying attention. And then somebody, I'm not mentioning any names, Kirk, but somebody distracted me with discussions about garden furniture.
Yeah.
So I completely forgot whether I was doing white, green, or green, white, green. So in the end, this axolotl might look a little beady challenged.
Beady
challenged at the end of it.
Okay.
And I feel that if he is beady challenged, we should love him the same. Okay? So I've put in the beads into... What are you laughing at? It's a very serious thing, being beady challenged.
I've got nothing, to be honest. I've got nothing.
Really?
Yeah, beady challenged.
Have I finally broken you?
No.
Well, you sound like you're broken.
I was trying to just think of what would be beady challenged.
Well, his beads might be in the wrong order,
Okay.
so he might have odd-looking gills.
I'm just trying to.
So beady challenged.
I'm just trying to imagine, apart from this very specific moment, where else would I come across something or someone who is beady challenged?
Well, I'm glad you've asked that question. What if someone's got beady eyes and then their beady eyes no longer work? They're beady challenged.
No, because they'd just be eyes then, wouldn't they?
Yeah, but because they've got beady eyes and then their beady eyes no longer work.
But then they'll just be eyes. They won't be beady eyes.
No, you're missing it. Right, listen. You have to listen to the whole sentence. So they've got beady eyes and then the beady bit no longer works, so they're beady challenged.
That's literally what you've just said 3 or 4 times, and I still don't understand what you're trying to say.
Can we go back to the axolotl?
Oh, yeah.
Right? Because it's quite a quick video. And I put a smidgen of glitter into that pot, and that glitter is...
green.
I can't remember the name of it. It's Netherland, I think it is. Netherland... I know, but we were on about beady and
you
goodness
started
knows what.
it.
Listen. So... I think it's called Netherland, and it's from Little Island Co. They do some really nice glitters, I have to say. Ooh. Yes. So I've put glitter into his
Spine.
The spine.
Yeah.
And then I popped him into the curing machine.
Yes, you did.
For 2 hours.
Now the lid for that it doesn't fit with the lid on.
Yeah, it doesn't fit with the lid on, but you can use it without the lid on. It's just not as efficient. So I used it without the lid on.
Yeah.
Because I was in a rush. I was against the cosh, as it were.
Against the cosh?
Isn't that the expression? When you're up against it.
Or against the clock?
No, I wasn't against the clock. I was sat in my chair.
Well, you couldn't have been against the cosh then, could you? What have you been drinking today?
Just coffee. So I mixed up the resin in with the whizzy thing. Now see, you've made me lose all. I was doing really well. No,
you weren't.
I was going in a straight line and I was doing okay, and then you butt in and boom, it's all gone.
You were doing really well going in a straight line. Really?
Yeah. Right. So I've mixed up my resin using the dual-headed silicone paddle mixer from Resiners, and I still love it. And then I add a little bit of Ice Green. I couldn't think of the colour. Ice Green by Just Resin.
Words are hard.
Oh, they're not hard. They're not. I just
can't talk.
You're distracting me. Stop it.
I'm not doing anything.
You're doing it again. So
how am I distracting you?
You literally just did it. So I've added the ice green, and then I decided mid-mix that I was going to add in a little bit of the pearl white. Now these are both luster colours from Just Resin, and there's my there's the green axolotl
and the curing machine.
And the curing machine, yeah. So
is that level, or did you use the?
I used the lollipop
stick.
No, that is actually level. That is smack bang level. I used my the level thing, spirit level that I got.
Oh, okay.
Because I gave it waiting for one from the shed, so I just bought one. It was only £3 from Amazon. Link will not be in the description. Anyway, so what I did is I thought I'd give him some white legs at the front. I don't know why. It's just how it was singing to me. And then I mixed in the green and the white, and I did kind of a whizzy thing with it.
A swoosh.
Yeah, there was a swoosh. It's not a marble and it's not a swirl, it's a swoosh. It's a swoosh.
A swoosh.
Yeah, and then I've got a little bit left over, so I just stuck it all into one cup and then dirty poured it all over that little turtle. See, the turtles are getting smaller. I've been threatened with turtles.
The turtles are threatening you?
No, you threatened to count my turtles. So
that's because we've got loads.
I've had to hide some.
Every time you have a little bit left of resin,
I make a little turtle.
It goes into a turtle.
Because they're so cute.
Yes.
And when we were on holiday, I bought 3 more turtles.
Oh, yeah.
To make a mould.
Yeah.
Very excited for those. Very excited. I should be doing that. Coming to a video near you soon. So this is the demold. Now, while I demold the thing, because let's be honest, we all know it takes forever. Let me just say thank you to all of our members, our subscribers, anybody who has watched our videos, liked our videos, commented on our videos, sent us a super thanks, or just supported us in any way, shape or form. You are all the beads in front of my eyes. I just
beads in front of your eyes.
I don't know. I should have prepared that. I keep saying
you are the beads in front of my beady eyes.
Yes, you're the beads in my beady eyes. I don't know. We love you. Anyway, so dun dun dun. The mold is off.
Hey.
And I like his bottom. He looks very nice from that angle.
He's got a nice tush.
He's got a nice little tushy. And then I turn him over. Look at that glitter. I see what I mean about his gills. He's got odd gills. He's got one white one there.
Yeah.
That's where you distracted me. And then he's got
2 greens on the other side.
2 greens on the other side, yeah. So, but do you know what? I thought it makes him cute. So, I'm just going to live with it. And I thought his blue eyes were I was very happy with his little blue eyes.
I think the blue eyes actually look really cool.
Now, he does not have a name yet.
Eric.
But it's not Eric, and it's definitely a he. Because I just feel it looks like a he.
Dave.
No.
Bob.
So, as I like him so much, he gets a nose.
He's got a nose already.
No, he gets his nose filled in with pen.
Yeah. Okay.
And he gets a mouth.
Wow, you really liked it.
Yeah, I was really pleased. I like that glitter though. That is a glitter that is very close to the colour of
Green.
What's the birthstone for August? Peridot.
Oh yeah.
Peridot.
Yeah.
Birdo. Something like that. But it's the closest match to that birthstone that you can get, basically. Well, that I could get. I'm sure you can get closer, but
well, yeah, you could get the actual stone.
Well, then it wouldn't be glitter, would it? It would be the actual stone.
Well, yeah.
Listen, stop sitting over there trying to come out with your sass. Put your sass away. Now, that is what that glitter is, and I think it's very pretty.
Okay.
So, I was genuinely really, really happy with it. So, I like it. And that ice green, oh, isn't it gorgeous?
That's a nice, yeah, it is a nice green.
I told you, didn't I? See, when we were picking colours, I said, that's a really nice green. And Kirk said, oh, we've already got a green. And I said, yeah, but that's quite a dark green. He said, yeah, but you've got a light mica. And I said, yeah, but that's mica. It's not pigment paste. They are different. It took some persuading. Not much, I'll grant you, but, I had to have a conversation about it. Now, the little axolotl needs a bit of a repair job. He needs his horns filling in. Not his horns.
His gills.
Gills filling in. Because the chunky glitter didn't get down into the holes. But that's not a problem. I can do that. And then I didn't fill in all of the lines on the little turtle. I just filled in a couple because I thought, yeah, I quite like that.
Why not?
And then, because I didn't. That's why.
Okay.
Stop bothering me.
I'm just asking.
I know, but it's the way you're asking. Judging. You're judging me. I feel like you're judging.
I'm just showing an interest in your work.
So, that is him. So it was off to the glamour shots.
Yeah.
And hopefully
Hopefully.
Everybody likes it. Because I was genuinely really.
Do you like Nikki's beadily challenged axolotl?
Bead challenged.
You said it was beady.
I've changed it now. God, that video's a bit rubbish, isn't it? I kind of missed his face as he comes round. You get, look, I've really highlighted the beady challenged.
Yeah.
Oh, you can tell this was I kind of, because like I say, I wasn't going to do it because we've got one coming out at 8 o'clock tonight, but I really do like making axolotls. So I dug out the mould and I whipped one up for you.
You just whipped it out.
Whipped it out and whipped it up. Yeah, it was a good day.
Indeed.
So, if you are still with us at this point, thank you so much. Don't forget there is a playlist in the description for the collaboration.
Yep.
Have a good old binge watch. There will be some fabulous creations, I am sure.
If you like axolotls, this is your bag.
This is your bag for sure.
Yep.
And if you are liking our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, give the subscribe a little tickle.
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
Creepy Kirk. Again.
It's not.
It is.
It's alluring Kirk.
It's not alluring Kirk. Anyway, that's us for this one. And if you're not doing anything this evening,
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock UK time, do feel free to join us again.
Yeah, come say hi. We'll be in the chat.
Unless you've completely had enough of us. In which case, totally understand. Have a great weekend if we don't see you tonight. Take care.
Bye for now.
Bye.